everyone, as I explained earlier, like what is the indentation in the Python, and now this video I will explain what is the comment in the Python. So both the core topics are very important. So what is the comment in the Python? So comment is used for explain the code or stop execution the code. There are two purpose of comment. Purpose of the comment is first explain the code. So explain the code is where while you are commenting anything in the Python, you have to use the hash. So I'm using hash. So I'm explaining the code like this is the Python code by AI Nikhil Model Mind. So first of all, first use for explaining the Python code, I explained the code. I want to explain the below code. So I explained. Otherwise, you can make the comment. So I want to comment entire code. So you can use it like you can select entire code and use curl plus forward slash. So it's commented all the codes. Otherwise, if you want to entire script comment, so you can just uncomment the same control plus forward slash and use of C string, three times of a string here and three times of a string here. So you can use the single or double string. It's doesn't matter, but it will no it will commented. Entire code is commented. Entire script is commented. Now you can see it when I run this code. So you can just see entire code is commented. The main purpose of comment is to explain the code, and the second thing is stop execution the code. So this three string will stop execution the code of body. So here is if line number 3 to line number 6, it will not work. So thank you everyone for watching this video.